Let's take a look at how to switch into expert mode in Google Ads. Now, if you have an account where you log in and this is basically what you see, it says all smart campaigns, you're not going to see a lot of features. This is the kind of a limited account setup that Google provides. So let's say you just created your Google business profile and you see the little tab that says, hey, start marketing your Google business profile today, and you start setting up some ads. It's going to put you into like this smart account mode. It's quite limited as far as what you can do. All you can do is set up and run smart campaigns. And it's really designed to just limit the complexity of the account. So it may be beneficial in some cases to continue using this setup. But if you do want to start utilizing some more advanced campaign types like traditional search campaigns or display campaigns or YouTube campaigns or shopping campaigns or basically anything other than smart campaigns, you're going to need to switch into expert mode. So to do that, we just come up here to the settings, and when we click this wrench icon here, we're going to see in this drop down, it's going to say switch to expert mode. Now, when we click this, it is going to have a little pop-up saying expert mode is for marketing pros that need specialized campaign types, which is what I was just explaining, like search campaigns and display campaigns. You know, be able to adjust bid strategies, add custom ad groups, all of your existing smart campaigns, keep their current settings if you do switch over, but it gives you the option to stay in smart mode or switch over to expert mode. And really what it means by expert mode is like a traditional Google Ads account setup. Just keep in mind that once you make the switch, you're not going to be able to switch it back. So once you go to expert mode, you can't necessarily go back to smart mode any longer. So it's something that you're going to want to make sure that you want to do before you actually implement the change. But in this case, we do want to implement the expert mode. So we're just going to click on switch to expert mode. And it seems to be taking a minute to load here, but it does seem that it has switched everything over. And now we can see that there are all different types of drop downs and everything here. We can set different measurement goals, so like conversion setup. We have all the different tools for like our connecting data sources. If you want to connect your YouTube channel and run ads on YouTube, you can set up remarketing ad audiences in the shared library. Basically, we have the full setup now. We can also create any type of campaign. So we can go in and create, you know, like a, let's see, we're going to skip through a couple of these steps. Performance Max, search campaign, demand gen, there's a whole bunch of other ones. We can set up display, video, shopping. It's now giving us the ability to create full-blown traditional search campaigns and shopping campaigns, display campaigns, video campaigns. Basically everything, all the features are now available for us to start implementing with, and it's basically that easy. So I hope this was helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, please don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here, and really just see that, you know, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.